Hello, in this video we will be discussing how to use the GeoFind catalog. What you want to do is double click on a web browser. You will go to www.gsw.edu. Once you're at the GSW homepage, you will just simply scroll down and click on the library icon. Once on the library homepage, you will once again scroll down until you see the GeoFind link. Of course, GIL stands for Georgia Interlibraries. The reason being is that this is not only a digital catalog of the library here at Georgia Southwestern, but also a database which houses all of the catalogs within the university system of Georgia. And of course, you can order books from there as well. So you're not by any means confined to only this library. And we'll discuss that in this video as well. First step is to sign in. So click the sign in button right here. And if you click GSW Students, you'll enter in your CanesNet credentials or that GSW email address. And you don't need the whole address, just the first part before the ad. So in my case, it would be john.wilson. Put in that password, whatever it may be. Alright, so once you're logged in, you should see that your name is spelled correctly in the upper right hand corner. If you've had an error message or your name is not spelled correctly, there may be an issue with your account. So contact me immediately so it can be resolved. Alright, so once we're logged in, what we want to first do is search the GSW catalog. Now for the assignment that I gave you, you had to choose a topic in a decade, whatever that decade may be. For this example, I'm going to say my decade is the 1990s, and I will say that my topic is going to focus along with the Waco siege, which occurred in 1993. My research question or my focus topic would be who ultimately was responsible for the fire that killed over 70 people during the siege of Waco. Okay? Now there's all kinds of keywords I could use. I could use Waco, I could use Waco in combination with other keywords such as siege. I could use David Koresh. I could use people who were important to that particular issue. Okay. Let's just do a broad search. I'm just going to type in Waco. Okay. I'm going to hit enter. Now remember, when you do the digital catalog, it's going to pull up books that are physically available in our library, as well as online books, okay? But for your assignment, you have to actually locate the physical item in the library. So I want you to disregard these online books, okay? To do that, you can just click right here, available in the library only. So here we have 35 items. I will check this box, and so the full access online will be eliminated from the results, okay? Because I don't want you to use an online item because we're doing old-fashioned research. So let's apply filters. Okay, so now these are items that are available within the James Earl Carter Library. As you can see, this is going to be the call number and location. The call number is right here, so you'd want to take a screenshot of this. We use the Library of Congress method. Okay. Now the Library of Congress method is alphanumeric, right? So that means it's going to be in section I, and if you look on the end of the bookshelves, you'll see white index cards that will have a letter of the alphabet that will indicate what section you're in, okay? So of course we're looking for